Hey, and welcome to Alt1. Yes, I want to clarify something very important here now. Check the last video you see up in the top left corner there. Manual trading versus robots. My point is there. I have been trading binary option for, I would say, a lot of years. And I traded Forex much longer. Of course, these two you can compare. The only difference that with Forex we have the possibility to fix our losses. So you can get out of a trade ending up in top. With binary option, you need to have a good setup and you need to have a good way of trading from the start. That's why very few actually manage to do it good with manual trading with binary option. Also, you have emotions. Emotions is your worst enemy. I have, even myself that I traded for many years, I found myself doing emotional trades, try to martingale out of a trade and get in a very big problem where maybe the last trade is the one that gets me in profit, but if I had lost that trade, I lost everything. So, my point is, make sure you check out all these videos you see here on the channel. Make sure you push the link you see up there right now and sign up for this amazing robot that I have. You don't need to trade with emotions. You don't need to be thinking yourself. Yes, of course, I do check sometimes if there are some big news. Of course, I do sometimes check if there are some big movements. But that's the only thing I do. The rest I leave to the robot to do it work. This robot for me have won 23 times, or is it 24? It's one of those. I need to check my numbers. I don't check it now, but it's 22 or 23 times I have won and lost only one time. That's the reality of this robot. And for me, it's printing me money and can do the same for you also. So also you find link below the video if you want to have this robot yourself. And make sure you subscribe to my channel. Make sure you like this video. And I will make sure that I do get more robots in the future. I will make sure that I get the best things for both Forex and for binary options so you can make more money too. And if these type of things have a huge interest for you, yes, make sure you subscribe. And also, last thing, as I mentioned in the start, I have traded Forex for many years and I'm quite successful doing so. So if you want to copy the trades I do, I have the cheapest prices because I want it to be something that anyone, wherever you are from the world, you can afford it. So it's only $16 a month and you can be a member and you will then get all my signals for Forex. So link below the video for that also. $16. Keep in mind, that's very little. Just search around. I think the lowest you'll find is maybe $49. And trust me, the signals will not be as good as the ones I give you. So keep that in mind also. So this is just an information video, by the way. So just so you understand the power of robots and that I do my best to give you always the best here at my channel. So with that, have an amazing day.